If your legs feel like solid lead or something like heavy concrete blocks every time you go for a walk, do not ignore it, because this isn't just a sign of getting older, and it's not because you're out of shape. It is a direct warning sign from your nervous system. Think about it. Have you noticed how simple or normal things, like getting out of a low car seat or stepping off a deep couch, suddenly require a rock, a push, and a quiet grunt? That heavy, sluggish feeling happens because the blood and oxygen in your lower legs are literally getting trapped by Newton's gravity. In Japan, the calves are legally and medically referred to as your second heart. They act as a mechanical pump, pushing fluid back up to your upper body. When your calves and ankles get stiff from hours of sitting, that pump shuts off. Your legs aren't weak, they are suffocating for circulation. That's the reason. To shatter that heavy feeling instantly, Japanese centenarians rely on two simple daily habits. First, the bedside heel raise. Before you go for a walk, stand at your kitchen counter. Slowly rise onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, and lower down. 2 sets of 15 reps activates the calf pump before you step outside. Second, the Sanpo stride. When walking, mindfully exaggerate your stride so your heel strikes the ground firmly first, rolling effortlessly to the toe. This gentle rhythm mechanically forces blood flow back to your heart. Your independence is entirely dependent on your mobility. Do your legs feel heavier in the morning or the afternoon? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and join us for more simple daily health habits.